Imagine a Risk of Rain 2 game, but instead of being able to choose your items, other people choose them for you. That's exactly what happened this run, because we're running the Risk of Rain 2 mod versus Twitch. A mod in which everybody in the Twitch chat can vote on items, and that determines what I get out of a chest. This is the result of a couple of runs, but this one is probably my favorite out of them, just because El Bandito. Do I win? Do I lose? Guess you'll have to stay and find out. All this was recorded on Twitch TV/RND Thursday. Mine, I am #1 Bandit NA. There used to be a different #1 Bandit, but I took him out. He doesn't exist anymore. Are you still #1 multi AUNZ? Listen, the Kiwis call me the multi killer. Okay, that's what the Kiwis call me down there. Don't let me down, R&D. Oh, when have I ever let believers down? Never. Never in my life have I ever let believers down. Oi, 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 oi. Let's fucking go, mate. I don't need anything else. I just need tri-tip daggers. I don't need God. I just need tri-tip daggers. Oh my god. And probably some health? That'd be nice too. What? Oh my god. Bust the key box. Let's go. Brain stocks. Brain stocks. Brain stocks. Brain stocks. Brain stocks? Brain stocks. Oh. I've been stun locked. Bandit brain stocks is nuts. Not quite butts, but. Oh, let's go. I'm infinite. Some might even call me Bioshock. And a Reynolds band. Oh. My word, man. Oh. Holy gaseous galleons, Batman. We've got a lot of good items. I'm still poor? Zoomers after they get their first paycheck? If you win, you get nothing, but I'll get happiness. So if you find a shrine order, you using it? Well, I mean... Yeah, if we find one. If we end up seeing one at some point, maybe we'll get it, you know. If we end up seeing one. But, I don't know if we'll ever see one. Magma worm. More like Badma worm, am I right? Let's go, chat. Hey, mister, I was wondering if you could throw the run so I can get some points. Thanks, Lemon. Well, Lemon. Maybe. I'll think about it. I'll get back to you. We'll call you. Just waiting for some Mullick's appreciation. You're gonna be waiting a while, champ. Scythe, big, huge, massive. I can't believe we got the scythe. Yo, what's this banger called again? It's called Runaway. Oh, Okay, well, there went both of our beetle boys. Ooh. What the? How do you already have Blazing Lemurian? Because I'm cracked. I'm the best around. So they needs to get me with that, or else I'll be killing them all. Yes, sir. Actually, good question. 14 minutes in, stage 4, and I have an imp and 2 blazing Lemurians on top of me. What is this game, Hopu? Trying to send assassination attempt into my game? No shot. Speedrunner strats. That's damn right. That's goddamn right. All right, let's see if there's any cool chests around real quick, because I want to do the teleporter like right now, like ASAP, like now. Okay, we're gonna do the teleporter. Oh, we got the missile. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Number one chat NA. Oh no, I completely missed. Oh, that's not something I say often because I am also the greatest FPS player NA. Oh yeah, double guillotine. Let's go. That's game, set, match. That's matchbox 20 right there. Never ignore the slug. Oh, listen. We got 1 slug. That's enough. We paid our dues to Ooch. He's manipulating the RNG. You know it. I'm literally in the Matrix right now. I just downloaded these items into my brain. Oh, me. All right. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, cinco, seis. What? No way. No. No. No way, that doesn't give me that much gold. No. No way. No. There's a money thing around here somewhere. No. Oh, come on. There's no shot. There's nothing. There's no way there's nothing left on the map. I did not kill the entire map. You're lying to me. This is fake news. I'm like shekels away. No. This is such an L. There's gotta be something here. There's no way. There's no way. That is so well calculated. There's gotta be something. Whose pee-pee do I gotta suck for a couple extra gold shekels? Let's go! Let's fucking go! It's basically like I got a red chest. Let's go. Honestly, you know what? Worth. An ATG missile and a red item. Let's go. Copium, no copium. Okay, no copium required for this.
Oh, that's a friend. Astrop, sorry, I tried to wax your ass. Give me very in-shape glass. Or focus convergence. Any focusers of the convergences? Imagine, guys, listen. Faster teleporters? 30 seconds shaved off every teleporter? You won't have to watch me stand in alone? Think about it. Let's fucking go! We swayed the masses. If I would have got anything else, I would have cried. Oh, let's go! Another lunar pod. Let's go! I think we all know what we gotta do. And it starts with gesture and ends with round. There's no shot that's a Kajuro's. That is... I think we all know what we gotta do. It starts with ceremonial and ends with dagger. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. I didn't know whether or not Ucher was going to sway people with his slug conspiracy theory. Oh, my Lord. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Looks like we're looping. Sorry, boys. We can't poop. Oh! Oh, wait. I thought that was overloading worm for a second. That scared me. That put some fear into my butthole, but it was just my capacitor. Oh, we're in one-shot land. I love it. I love it. You love to see it. You love to be in it. We better get a Dios quick, though, because if I don't get a Dios, I think I'm going to throw this one. And that's on me. My bad. Index finger reveal when? Well, I can't reveal my index finger, but I can reveal to you this finger. Now just imagine I'm flipping you off right now. Yeah. Yeah. Holy shit, he's still alive. Yes, I am, Sushis. Oh, fuck. I meant to get the tri-tip dagger. Energy drink's a good second place. Smiley face. Okay, it appears no scrapper is on this planet, so... we're just gonna do that a couple times. That should be good. What is 7? 51%? I'll take a 50-50 chance. No problem. Oh my god, it's our song. It's our banger. Our song, chat. Our song. Pass on the bungus. For shame. For shame, chat. Now you will be visited by the bunguser. Oh my god, do you guys choose everything that comes out of the scavenger bag? My word. My lord. My gee willikers. R&D, how do I become a cracked gamer god like you? Well, thank you for asking, Squid Boy. And not an alt account that I made. To become a god gamer like me, drink lots of white monster. Copious amounts, in fact. And do tons of Adderall. That's literally the only way. Let's go! Let's go! We reached the goal of 100. Let's go! What just hit me? Okay, I'm staying away from that scavenger. That is a scary scavenger. Very spooky, because I don't know what just hit me. This is throw mode. Stream more frequently. Maybe, Mr. Oh, Mr. Flow, maybe. I'll tell you what, though. That's a legendary chest. Did anyone see that? Anyone see that? Oh, wait. Vagrant! Happiest mass vagrant. Let's go. We won. This is how we win. Oh my god, it's gonna explode. Let's go. It did no damage. Unlucky. Oh wait, I forgot. Legendary chest. Wow, we're really swimming in it today. What lucky gamers we are. Alright, what's the legendary we get? Meat hook, okay. I was really hoping for a Dios. Shattering Justice? Oh my lord, how many red items can a man have? I thought I could beat Mithrix. I thought you could too. I thought you had what it takes. Guillotine? Well, well, well. Chef 2? Chef Gordon Ramsay DLC Pog Chimp? Ceremonial Dagger 2? Electric Boogaloo? Question mark. Or do we get Head Stompers? What are you thinking, chat? JK, I know you don't think. But what would you think? Ooh! Now we need to Forgive Me Please, which probably will never happen, but... Alright, I'm sensing that we only have one more loop in us. One more loop in us, and then we will be taking it down. So loop it is. YouTube, while watching YouTube for a while? Believer through and through. Love the energy. Keep it up, man. Let's go. I'll try to catch a few streams, but I'm in Alaska. Oh my god. Yeah, don't worry about... If you live in Alaska, don't worry about catching the streams as much as you should be worrying about catching the sun. Okay? I respect you up there. Oh, Pog races! Let's go! I'm guessing you won your last run? I did. Figures. What is that? I don't know when you started today, but I do remember the Bandit run. I'm assuming that was your first run. Then I saw the loader run. You won that one. And then I left after the loader run. So what is that, 2 for 3 today? Most cracked Eclipse streamer? NA? You? The runs are good. Loader on Switch is unplayable? Well, I assume the Switch is probably unplayable as well, but I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Should I get the crowbars? Should I get 3 billion crowbars? And then one-shot Mithrix? Or... Nah. Oh! Alright, chat, I think that's enough items for this one. You're gonna be pressing a 1, 2, and 3 for the next 2 years. Let's do this boss real quick. Yeah, emphasis on quick. Just win, SMH. Oh, gee, we're trying. Why am I so zooted? What the fuck is happening? Oh, no!
Pause. It's at this point I just realized one of my viewers Shrine of ordered my items. With the Versus Twitch mod, there is a channel points reward that allows any viewer to Shrine of Order all of my items. Oh, fuck. Oh, God, I can't stand in the teleporter. 15? Oh my God, that's so many. What are the, I have 15 rerolls. Oh my. I literally can't stand in the portal. What is it? 1,000% movement speed. We're gonna have to get rid of these. Oh, there's still lots of chests on the map. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. Alright, the chance of me proccing my ATG is like 100% almost. Yeah, it's literally 81%. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh my God, dude. Give me the sweet, tasty points. You get nothing, good sir. I'm ownage mode. Don't throw now. Oh, gee, I'm trying. Are there any items left over? I desperately need... Oh, God. Okay, I need a white item printer to get rid of these. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just need enough that I can maneuver. Oh my God. Actual nightmare fuel. Is there a white item printer back here? Ooh. Almost. If I ever get a... imagine Little Disciple with this build, though. Imagine there was a Little Disciple here. Oh my God, what a nightmare. Alright, we just gotta be patient. Run out the clock, as they say. Can I get a cold emoji in the chat? Any cold emojis? Sheesh! There you go, Nexo. Nexo, sheesh! Is this doable? Oh, this is super doable. Now I'm just kind of fast. And I do a oh my God. Scheisse. We do a lot of... Oh, royal capacitor. You fucked up. You fucked up by ordering me. Should I do it, chat? Should I do it? Yeah? Okay. Oh, it's just a normie pearl. Yeah. Normie pearl cringe. Oh my God, this is my favorite song on the playlist. This is literally the best song ever created. We got flanked! Fuck! We got fucking flanked! Oh my God. Oh, that run was so good. Oh my God.